So it's in the title. Exercise at home for free. Easy, right? And the reason why I do it is because then I don't have to commit to going to a gym. I don't have to travel anywhere. I don't have to worry about the cost of petrol and so on. And basically, the only thing that I miss out on by not going to the gym is any potential social interaction. But given that I am so introverted, I don't really care. And also, if I want interaction with other people, I'm a content creator, so that side of it is already satisfied for me. So before I go any further, remember the fact I am not professionally qualified in any way. I'm not a fitness trainer, not anything. I'm just talking about my own experience. And before you undertake any um, physical exercise, you should consult your doctor in case of any potential risks. So that's what all gyms will say, and I will say the same thing. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. Now, basically, over the years, I've been a member of more than one gym, and financially, you could say you shouldn't put any value on the cost of maintaining your health. Sure, that I agree with that. However, when it comes to gyms tend to, in their package deal, their membership, offer you way more than you'll ever need. So they'll give you access to classes, they'll give you access to, and a lot of classes that you'll probably never attend, or they give you access to other features, like specialist beauty spot or whatever. And you're paying every single month for these services, and you might not even need it. So because this channel is focused on the financial side of things, the amount of money you could save by just doing exercise at home and doing it for free is obviously great because you take care of your health, your physical health. And from my experience as well, obviously, doing some exercise and being a reasonable weight helps me to sleep at night. It helps to relax me and so on. So, and the difficulty when it comes to exercise is finding the right balance because it's not just about doing um, tons of exercise if you're eating really, really badly. Like, if anything, I found over my time that having a healthier diet is more important than the exercise itself. So, in the last couple of years, I quit chocolate, for example. I quit anything high sugar. So, I quit fizzy drinks. I quit chocolate and everything that goes with chocolate, cakes, muffins, whatever, cookies. And then I even fruit juices. So, and again, I'm not professionally qualified. It's just what I did for me. And I feel great. I feel fresh. I can survive every day on water. I'm a reasonable or ideal weight for my height. I think right now I'm 78 kilograms and I'm 5'9". So basically, it's ideal if you look at it. Like if I ever drop below 70 kilograms, it's actually I would be considered underweight. But bordering around 80 kilograms is ideal for me. And basically, I feel great. I can walk around, I can do everything I need to do, and so on. Even though I'm a full-time content creator, I'm able to do everything I need to. If anything, the one thing I need to improve personally is my hip flexor muscles. But it's a path of discovery. Always Google is always available to you. You could always look up things, and you could always ask help as well. You could seek professional advice and so on. But the actual doing the exercise part and doing it every single day, working it into your routine, you can do it from home. No one says you have to go to a gym. No one says that you have to go somewhere to do something that you can already do. You know what I mean? So I think that's the whole point, and it extends beyond exercise, but that's something for other videos. So because basically I'm so concerned right now with managing my finances and saving money and being frugal, then I am not a member of a gym, but I am still in good shape. I know. That's why you guys come to my videos and my channels. You're like, wow, Mifri, he's such an ideal weight. This is why we watch all of his videos. Yeah, totally. But basically, it feels good in every way. Simple as that. I don't miss the gym. I don't need it, and I can still take care of myself in every way. I can still do everything I need to do. Now, it is a two-way conversation though. So do let me know in those comments down below Do you go to a gym? Do you exercise at home? Obviously, everything has changed right now because we've spent the last year in lockdown because of the pandemic. So, and I think a lot of people, like even some people I know, are doing online classes, through Zoom or whatever. So, and my question is, when the lockdown ends, are you still going to be doing it from home, or are you going to go straight back to the gym? Has it been a nice routine to do it from home, or do you miss the social aspect from going to the gym and so on? So let me know your thoughts and feelings about that. But generally, for me, the exercise at home for free